And please welcome the President and CEO of the Corporation for Public Broadcasting, Patricia Harrison.
Good afternoon. What a powerful video. And one of the reasons that we're here today, certainly one of the reasons that the Corporation for Public Broadcasting is here today, CPB serves as the steward of the federal appropriation, which is the largest investment in public media, the largest single source of funding for more than 1,500 locally owned and managed public radio and television stations, and we reach 98% of the American people throughout the country. So we talked about trust today, and at a time when trust in institutions continues to decline and the spread of disinformation is increasing, public media is still ranked as America's most trusted institution for news and educational programming. And especially if you think of programs such as PBS NewsHour and Frontline, our children's content that educates and also promotes respect. One small step which brings people together to discuss their differences in what I would like to say is a safe place in which to debate. And this content is so important. Think about the Memorial Day and the 4th of July concerts, where we all put aside our differences, we come together, we celebrate a shared history of this country, and we need more events like that. CPB has made a very long-term commitment to support content that truly educates and that informs. And for the past 15 years, working with PBS, NPR, and public media stations, we have invested more than $150 million to increase the capacity of local and national newsrooms and for international journalism. Right now, our journalists are in Ukraine, breaking through the disinformation as the Russians assault Ukraine. This investment in terms of information and our resources over a period of time have really helped us address different issues such as the dropout crisis, and it helped to move the needle over a period of time to increase graduation rates, and we were honored to work with John Bridgeland on that initiative. And so we're here today because we want to be part of this initiative, moving the nation on strengthening democracy. So I am announcing that CPB is increasing support for our American Amplified Journalism Initiative to nearly $1.4 million. And what this means is that public media stations in 26 states will now have the resources and the editorial guidance they need to develop frequently asked questions about elections and voting for the 2022 midterm elections. And we plan to expand this effort to all 50 states by the 2024 elections. We're also providing $750,000 for a 2-year reporting project through Public Radio's WAMU's talk show, 1A, Remaking America, and that's going to examine the forces behind a growing distrust of institutions that are really dividing communities and eroding our confidence as a nation. So we welcome this opportunity to be part of More Perfect, to really look at ways, measurable ways, that we can renew American democracy through trusted elections and government that is inclusive, participatory, and fair as we approach 2026, the 250th anniversary of the nation's birth.